I'm Megan Larko. I work for BAE Systems, and I have been doing various support for U.S. government contracts for over 25 years, much of which is in high-performance computing and using Lustre file systems for our storage needs. We selected Lustre as our cluster file system need because, well, first of all, it is a free and open source file system which enables us to make any modifications, usually minor, that we might need. It also scales very easily. It is easy to implement. It is easy to maintain on a general scale. We found that Lustre meets our computing needs for having high-performance I/O operations for the various tasks that we support in our high-performance computing environment. Various industries, I think, can use Lustre as a very viable solution. I have worked in two of those industries. I have worked in research in space sciences with contracts with NASA. I have also worked in the DoD department with the various needs they have for near real-time, large computational runs on HPC systems that need to output data quickly and then sometimes reread that data in just as quickly in order to further their algorithm work. We find that anything that really needs a lot of compute power and a lot of I/O can benefit from using a Lustre file system. It is useful not only in large I/O in terms of large block size or large aggregate size of a file, but Lustre's new improvements in recent versions are becoming much more efficient even at small I/O operations with the implementation of data on MDT and DNE, some of the newer features now implemented in Lustre file system. A future vision for Lustre, I think having Lustre more easily integrated in a Linux operating system is a very useful thing, so that it is not necessary to go out necessarily and do as much compiling if you want to implement Lustre in an environment. For our purposes, we have found that we've always needed to do our own compilation of Lustre code because of the particular software stack that we run on our systems. It would be nice if maybe there were more hooks in Linux systems to enable that to be a more straightforward, fewer step process.